10 foods to avoid for gastroparesis. Gastroparesis is a condition where the stomach takes too long to empty its contents. This can lead to symptoms such as nausea, bloating, early fullness, and stomach pain. Managing your diet is one of the most effective ways to reduce these symptoms. Some foods can be hard to digest and may make gastroparesis worse. Here are the 10 foods you should avoid if you have this condition. 1. Raw vegetables. Raw veggies like broccoli, cabbage, and carrots are high in fiber and tough to digest. Cooking them until soft is often a better option. 2. Fatty meats. Meats with a high fat content like sausage and ribs slow down digestion. Choose lean meats like chicken or turkey instead. 3. Beans and lentils. Although healthy, legumes are full of fiber and can cause gas and bloating. They also take longer to move through the stomach. 4. Carbonated drinks. Sodas and sparkling water introduce air into the stomach, causing bloating and discomfort. Flat beverages are a safer choice. 5. Citrus fruits with skin. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons contain tough skins and membranes that are hard to break down. Try peeled or juiced fruits instead. 6. Nuts and seeds. These small, hard foods are difficult to digest and can cause stomach discomfort. Nut butters are a better tolerated alternative. 7. Whole grains. Brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa have too much fiber for a slow-moving stomach. Opt for white bread or white rice when needed. 8. Dairy products. Full-fat milk, cheese, and cream can worsen symptoms. Many people with gastroparesis are also lactose intolerant, making dairy a double problem. 9. Fried foods. Foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts are high in fat, which delays stomach emptying. Baking or grilling is a better option. 10. Tough meats. Cuts like steak or brisket can be hard to chew and digest. Softer, slow-cooked meats are easier on the stomach. Avoiding certain foods can greatly reduce the symptoms of gastroparesis. Choose low-fat, soft, and easily digestible options whenever possible. Always speak to a healthcare provider or dietitian before making major changes to your diet. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.